आज हम 10th स्टैंडर्ड केमिस्ट्री फर्स्ट चैप्टर स्टार्ट करेंगे. बट बिफोर स्टार्टिंग वीडियो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब द वेदांसी क्लासेस अवर यूट्यूब चैनल. सब्सक्राइब शेयर करना ना भूलिए. तो ठीक है, ऑल द बेस्ट, लर्न वेल एंड आई होप यू आर लर्निंग. So today we are studying the 10th standard chemistry first chapter. In the previous video we have studied the introduction of science, जिसमें तीनों फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, बायोलॉजी की ब्रांचेस, उसके नेम, उसकी डेफिनेशन, इंट्रोडक्शन हो चुका था. अगर हम बात करें 10th स्टैंडर्ड केमिस्ट्री 5 चैप्टर्स हैं. देयर आर 5 चैप्टर्स, जिसमें से फर्स्ट चैप्टर द केमिकल रिएक्शंस एंड इक्वेशंस. Okay, so well students, from the 9th standard you have studied about the matter. In this cosmos or universe, everything, whether it may be living world, non-living world, all the matter, all the things are made up of the very smallest tiny particles. That is called atom. Atom is the smallest particle which may or not may exist freely but take part in chemical reaction. Same types of atoms of element forms and they forms the molecules, and group of molecules combined and they forms the element, and two or more elements combined together in a fixed proportion by mass, that is formed compound. In 9th standard you have studied about the atoms, molecules and formula of the compounds. So I would like to ask one thing. I'll write some species and you have to tell the difference among them. If I write the O, 2O, O2, 2O2, 4H2, H2O, 2H2O. Can you tell what are the differences among these species? If you don't know, let's see. Students, if you write the single O, it represents the one atom of oxygen, one single unreacted atom of oxygen. If you write the 2O, it represents the two atom. This is the single atom. This is the single atom which is unreacted. If you write the O2, it represents the one molecule of oxygen. Here I would like to tell you one thing. Molecule may be of the element or compound. Molecule may be of the element or compound. I'll tell you what does it mean. If you write the O2, it represents the one molecule. That means two atoms of oxygen combine together and forms the one molecule of oxygen. If you write the 2O2, it represents the two molecule of oxygen. It represents the two molecule of oxygen. If you write the 4H2, it represents the 4 molecule of hydrogen. If 2 molecule of oxygen, the number of atoms 2 to the 4 atoms, and in it 4 to the 8. This is the 8 atom. If you write the H2, it is 1 molecule of water. It's the compound. So I told you the molecule may be of the element or compound. If you write the 2H2, it represents the 2 molecule of water. That is the compound. So we can say that the molecule may be of the element or compound. From here, if you know these all things, you can balance the reaction very well, and it would be helpful in balancing the chemical reaction further in the further videos. So from this, your next chapter, your chemistry 10th chapter, start chemical reactions and equations.